During boiler installation in Texas, plumbers should ensure proper insulation to maximize energy efficiency and prevent heat loss. The type of insulation to be provided may vary depending on the specific requirements and components of the boiler system. Here are some commonly used insulation materials in boiler installations. 1. Pipe insulation. Plumbing pipes that carry hot water or steam should be insulated to minimize heat loss and improve system efficiency. Insulating pipes helps maintain higher water temperatures, reducing energy consumption and preventing condensation. Common pipe insulation materials include fiberglass, mineral wool, or foam insulation sleeves. 2. Boiler casing insulation. The boiler casing or outer shell can also be insulated to prevent heat loss to the surrounding environment. This insulation helps maintain higher temperatures inside the boiler, promoting efficient operation. Insulation materials such as fiberglass blankets or rigid foam insulation boards are commonly used for boiler casing insulation. 3. Boiler room insulation. Proper insulation of the boiler room itself is crucial to maintain a controlled and efficient operating environment. Insulating the walls, ceiling, and doors of the boiler room helps minimize heat loss and ensures a consistent temperature within the space. Insulation materials may include fiberglass insulation bats, foam insulation boards, or reflective insulation. It's important for plumbers to select insulation materials that are suitable for the specific temperature and moisture conditions of the boiler system. The chosen insulation should meet fire safety regulations and provide effective thermal insulation properties. Plumbers should also follow manufacturer guidelines and local building codes regarding insulation requirements during boiler installation. By providing appropriate insulation during boiler installation, plumbers in Texas can help optimize energy efficiency, reduce heat loss, and enhance the overall performance of the boiler system.